Hello students. Today in class first year maths you have chapter relations and functions and question from exercise. First, a relation from set P to set Q is shown in the following diagram. Express this relation in first set builder method, second roster method. Its solution is, तो ये आपका डायग्राम है जिसमें सेट P एंड सेट Q के एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन. द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट P एंड सेट Q आर गिवन. सेट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट P 5, 6 and 7. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट Q 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 and 5. तो 5 एलिमेंट 5 of set P is related to element 3 of set Q, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5, and this relation is written, we have to write in set builder form. तो set builder form we write R is equal to relation R is equal to x comma y such that यहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कि जो x एलिमेंट है x is 2 more than y. तो x is 2 more than y, x की वैल्यू जो हो जाएगी y plus 2. x equal to y plus 2. Or this can be written as this implies that x minus y is equal to 2. And x belongs to P. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. This is in set builder form. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Second, roster method से write this relation in roster method. Roster method, this can be written as 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma 5. Also it is given in question, write its domain and range. The domain and range of this relation is given by domain of this relation. Domain R is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 and range R is equal to 3 comma 4 comma 5. Domain is the set of first elements of order pair and range is the set of second elements of order pair of relation R. Now we have second question. We write it. Our second question is, if A is equal to set A is equal to elements of set A is given 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 and a relation R on set A is defined as follows, and a relation R is defined as follows. R is equal to A comma B such that AB belongs to A divides B. Then your question is, write R in roster form. Second question, find the domain of R, find the range of R. you have we have to write R in roster form, domain of relation R and range of relation R. So solution of this question: set A is given and relation R is defined as R is equal to A comma B such that AB belongs to A divides B, and relation R is defined, R is subset of A into A. So set A is given, we write its elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and relation R is defined as A comma B such that AB belongs to set A divides B. A is divided by B. Since R is subset of A into A, then we have, we follow this relation A, this A related to B, A divides B like this. So all elements of A is divided by B. We have relation 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 6. Now 2 2, 2 4 and 2 6. Now next 3 3, 3 6. Now next element 4 4, 4 6. Not possible. 6 6. Each elements of A divides B. A divides B. A divides B. First component divides second components. First component divides second component. 3 3, 3 6, 4 4. This relation is roster method. So मैंने ये relation लिख दिया. Now we have to find out its domain and range of this relation. The domain of this relation is first answer, second domain R is equal to domain of this relation 1 2 3 4 6, and range also of this relation, range R is equal to, range here you can see 1 2 3 4 6. Second components of relation R 1 2 3 4 6. If you have asked what is codomain of this relation, this set A also codomain of this relation. Students, you can see set A is represented given by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6, and relation is represented by R is equal to A comma B such that AB belongs to A and A divides B. A related to B by this relation. R is subset of A cross A, therefore relation R is written in roster method 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 6, 2 2, 2 4, 2 6, 3 3, 3 6, 4 4, 6 6. Therefore our domain first component of this relation and range second component of this relation. Thank you, students.